Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest blouse back neck design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, the neck design of the blouse can make look good and even extraordinary. From usual cut to loaded embellishment, the right neck pattern can make you the star of the night. Friends, increasing diversity in the ethic industry often leave you spoiled for choice. Don't worry, because this video we will showing you some of the best and latest blouse back neck designs for your reference. Friends, the round neck is a simple blouse neck design is incomplete without a round one. It is the most versatile cut and can be picked for almost any occasion like wedding, engagement and all other special event also. You can opt a solid one for a low-key get together or a sequenced one for more grand appeal. This blouse back neck design is a round one in a symmetrical manner, which lead it is a well-defined look. Friends, the another famous back neck design is square neck blouse design. Square neck blouse design is another simple eye-catching blouse back neck design. This design is not just comfortable but also come with different back design to suit every mood. Friends, the another popular neck design is V-neck blouse design. V-neck blouse design are designed to glamorous your sexy appeal with a shape cut. You can even try it with a heavier saree for leisure appear around the corner. Friends, you must pick this kind of blouse back neck design in contrasting color saree to make them stand out. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.